All right. Thank you to Fury Genesis. I'm about to share screen and get started. And how do I say your name, bud? Obaider, Obaider. I've heard it all.
You can say OP, you can say Obaider, all work.
Obaider. Oh, I
Yep.
see. That makes a lot more sense. Okay. Obaider's here with me, and we're gonna go ahead and start sharing screen here. I've got that going. Do you want to share your view? Yeah, let's do that. And
We can do both.
pop that out. Okay. I think I'll run mine because it'll just be a little higher quality here, and
Sweet.
there you go. Then you just tell me what to point the view at here. Get my pirate music back on. There we go. All right, how we doing? We full? We ready?
Not full yet. I'm thinking we can give them like 2 minutes before getting in,
Okay.
and we can start the fun. Those people is still applying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta take it home.
People are applying so fast. We get like 26 people in less than 1 minute.
Nice.
Okay, 30 seconds with no jumping. I'm going to enter.
Sounds good. You do hear Obaider. Yes, no limb. He's running this ship.
And go.
Oh, I've never done this. Never done a layer.
It's will be so fun. We're gonna start with sword fighting, then we can treasure haul, carp, stay alive, kick some vamps, and have fun.
You got it. Ooh. the game was not meant to spawn this many. Oh. Well, my screen's looking awful weird. Let me fix that. 1 second. There we
Like
go.
Bloody Bear is scared from vamps. He run away.
Oh,
So
and now
it's
I've
your
been switched to my
first
sword
layer
fighting.
ever.
Yep, I'm pretty sure.
Mhm.
Do you pick carp or treasure haul, right?
Yep.
I kind of want to pick carp if that's cool.
Yeah, you can do whatever you like. Carp
Sweet.
will help us in the next fight, so it's like maxing them when people get more masterpiece and stuff like that.
Okay.
And we hold to get treasure.
go. Running on empty. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Crap.
Yeah, shiny.
Go ahead and clear this. Hmm. Hmm.
Get ready for the second fight.
Hey, not bad.
Nice friend, guys.
Chat, y'all can let me know if my puzzle sounds are annoying or too loud or too soft or whatever. Thank you, Tyrant Martin. If your goal isn't to make a vertical block the entire length of the screen, are you even 8 years old? That's always my goal. Yes, it's gonna happen. Let's go! Big boy.
Don't break it till you make it.
Exactly.
And I have a yellow, please.
Mm.
Mhm. Nice.
Alright. Alright.
Good job, people. People are getting upset from the people that straight line. I understand that, but at the moment, there's nothing we can do. Mhm.
It's too quiet. That's what chat says. Hi, chat. I'm here. I'm hold on. Let me throw on the.
Focusing. He's
I'm
focusing on
focused.
puzzling on
I'm
his first
focused. I'm trying to
layer ever.
win. Where is this? Hold on. Yes, yes. Move that above here. Look, see, I'm here. I'm focused. Let me cook.
First layer, first bat. Just gonna get one today.
Baby's first layer. Take a picture. Put it in the scrapbook.
I messed up my Insta.
How many more hours, Jazz? 90 minutes. I got 90 minutes, y'all.
We're almost there.
Yeah. No worries at all. I haven't even done an energy drink this year. I always do an energy drink, but I haven't done one.
Nice.
That was my double. Mm. Y'all saw that pro flip. I stayed alive for another split. One per year? One per year, baby. Till I'm dead. Oh.
Ouch.
Oh, yeah. Of course, if I'm granddad age and I'm streaming this event, we better be in some cool VR 3D version of this game.
That will be in like 100 year.
Nah, I think we're closer. I think we're like 30 years out from some like easy VR setups at home. Hopefully, I don't know.
Yeah, but for the game,
For puzzle pirates, well, that's what I'm thinking. Like, I'm thinking it's like whatever. Just
yeah.
tell a robot what puzzle pirates is, and it's like, oh, you mean this, and then it's just done.
Uh,
That would be nice. We'll figure it out. A man can dream.
yeah, this game will never die. Never.
Nah, it ain't gonna die. Do that. Do that. Even though that's the same piece, and you're a dummy for it. Oh yeah, I'm cooking, chat. I have not heard that sound in a long time. It's been a long time since I did that bad of a carp. Mm. Where was I? Sweet. Still brisk, still brisk.
Friend next one.
Yes, Bella. Yes, we just hung out with you. And now you're back. Welcome back. Yeah, but while you were sleeping, you were CIing. You don't remember? Uh-oh. Ryan would be proud. Ryan, are you watching? Oh, I didn't. I thought I quadded it. Don't even listen to me. Mm, mm, mm. Boy. I think we're getting cooked.
We will see.
Chat, play it slow. Listen to your captain.
Thank you, thank you. I think we can survive this one. If they really stall.
Oh yeah, you're right. We're cooking now.
I think this will be our last fray. After this, everyone gonna go to hall. And maybe after we done, if we still have time, I can do one more sea battle for a trophy. If anyone like to get a trophy.
Yeah, whatever you want to do. We got 90 minutes. Let's do it.
Sweet.
Hmm.
Awesome job, everyone.
Nice.
Sweet, sweet.
Okay, hauling, hauling. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing.
It's same as the treasure hole, but the only difference is it's give you two books in the same time sometimes.
Mm, well, I didn't know what I was doing in the first treasure hall, trust me.
The goal is to have fun.
Click coin, make coin go up, coin. That's my understanding so far. Oh boy. Oh yeah.
You can always restart if you're stuck in a very, very bad way.
Yeah, how about twice in a row?
Sometimes it gets to five.
How about 3 times in a row? What am I missing, chat? Oh look, it spawned in the middle finally. There we go. Yeah, someone speedrun teaching me this. Thank you. So far I've got one. Doing great. Alright. Wasn't last.
Nice job, guys. 40. That cool.
I vote yes. What I get? No bat?
Let's see if anyone get a bet.
Alright. What's next, Obaider?
I think we're gonna do a sea battle for people who like vamp sea battle for people who don't get the trophy so far for the seal of this month. So we add the relic here and we hit set sail.
Alrighty.
Hope you guys enjoyed the lair.
Yeah, thank you for hosting.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Thank you for letting us being part of this amazing event, man.
My pleasure. Do some bilging. It's been a minute. Arg, someone's already manned that station. Yeah, you're right. Thank you. We're not done yet. I guess when Obaider goes to work, I gotta figure out what we're gonna do for the very, very end. I mean, other than me yap at you guys and tell you how much I love you, stuff like that. Let me see.
How much time we have till you like finish the whole thing?
An hour and 15 minutes.
Hour and 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll try to stick as much as I could.
No. If you got somewhere to be,
But
you
we'll
gotta be
see.
there. Don't worry about it. Chat, I think I'm kind of cooking with bilging now that I'm actually thinking about every move. I say that and then I immediately stop thinking and stop moving. Oh boy. Oh wait, no, this is a good spot for this. Can I? Oops, and I screwed it up. Cool. Thinking. doing? Oh yeah, I was doing this.
Eleven. Pashupa is doing whole Lantis after we done.
Oh, Atlantis. Oh, Bashoba.
Yep.
That's cool. Yeah, rad. I get that. All right.
If we get a layer from this, I think we could do a fast dip. We can. Ouch.
All right. I have been awarded the Chiropteran Cast. Let's go.
Congrats.
Thank you, Ham. I'm not dozing off. Fun fact about me, I literally cannot fall asleep unless it is dark and quiet. I could be right here with my eyes closed, and because there's light in the room, I would never fall asleep. Maybe that could just be the last hour. I just talk to you with my eyes closed. Alright.
Magic. Okay, Jazz, thank you so much for letting me part of this event. It was a great night, day, morning, evening for everyone here, and I'm not that good in speaking and stuff like that, but I had so much fun. I hope everyone did.
Thank you.